Danique recently shot the video for her new single Ring the Alarm, produced by Sean Paul on the Full Speed Rhythm. Now let's take you behind the scenes of the video, shot and directed by J. Will.
We came to shut it down, you better know it's on. We came to hijack the club, so ring the alarm, ring the alarm, ring the alarm, just ring the alarm, ring the alarm, ring the alarm, just ring the alarm. Just ring the alarm. Just ring the
Yo, what up, you know, it's Left Side, aka Mr. Keep. If you don't know, so we're there on the Danique video shoot. You see what I say? Mad thing, ring the alarm. You don't know, we're there, we have to represent for the camera. Sean Paul Rhythm, you see? Mad thing. Vibe turn up, 828 Club. Pree Dis, no? Mad, right, Minnie? Yep. Boom! Big up Danique. Up, way up.
DJ, if you're ready, can you put this song on playback? Oh, yeah. We came to party tomorrow. Let's get it started. We came to shut it down. You better know it's on. We came to hijack the club. So ring the alarm, ring the alarm.
It's pretty much a club song, and you know, I love the project. When I heard it, when Sean told me he was interested, and then Nicki B came on board, I was really interested because it was something that I've never done before, and it was new. It's something I wanted to do. So I'm really excited about it. I love the song, I love the vibe, and the video. I think the video is gonna be good.
Video hot. Big up to Ravers, Ding Dong, you don't know.
And J. Will and
yeah,
the
man,
whole
J.
crew.
Will. Big up to everybody who came through. Big up Fahrenheit, you know it go.
Yes, Jade.
Yeah, Jade.
Maps
Enough
crew.
love. Copper Shot Sound System.
Yeah.
You know what I mean? Enough love. And I've been a fan of Danique from she first stepped into the business and doing, you know what I mean? Good work. Excellent work, I should say. And I think that it just matched the project. So, being that the rhythm was more like an R&B type of flavor and she bad pan it, I was like, yeah, that's it. Big up Nicki B, whoever, right?
For sure.
You know what I mean? Beautiful thing. Mad city.
They should know.
You know, when you build rhythm or you build tune, it's all about the vibe. So it's not really that I was thinking of this or that. It just kind of like beating out rhythm and it just came true. So give thanks to people who love it. Full speed.
Production of the video, Jade Lee, whole team Danique, Team Sean Paul, who reposted everything on Twitter. Big up on yourself. Trust me, Sean, your team live. Headline Entertainment, J. Will, Benjamin, the whole crew, Pree Dis, RBC, Maps crew, Ravers, Ding Dong, Left Side, Nicki B, Fahrenheit, just
crew.
Everybody that made it possible.
Thank you.
Thank you guys so much.
Fanboy.
Something special comes over me, and I can tell you that it's gonna be a night I won't forget.
Another Kingston Kitchens event, and it was held on the gardens of the Pegasus Hotel. Let's take a look and see what's cooking.
Girl said you hallelujah. Girl said you hallelujah. Girl said you hallelujah. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Cause Uptown Funk don't give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch. Don't believe me, just watch.
Kingston Kitchen, what brought you out here today?
Food, my stomach. I love food, and my first booth I already got 7 recipes because I'm a newbie in the kitchen, and I'm ready and excited to try them out. So food brought me here.
Gave me a chance, I would take it. It's a shot in the dark, but I'll make it. Know with a little hope, you can't shame me when I am with you. There's no place I'd rather be. No place I'd rather be. No place I'd rather be. No place I'd rather be.
What's your favorite meal to prepare in the kitchen?
Lasagna. It's very easy to make, and my family loves it, so I'm always preparing that. But I'm trying new things. I'm health conscious, so I'm always looking for healthy recipes, and I'll share even more with you.
Talk to me about the staging.
Okay, well, this is our second staging, partner with Kingston City Run. You know, anything to promote Kingston as a tourist destination, as a healthy destination. Unfortunately, you know, we've had a bit of the smoke issue with the Riverton City dump, but we're very, very pleased with the crowd here today because so many people have turned out. It's been staggered throughout the day, but the crowds come in because they love Kingston Kitchen. It's about eating well.
For you, what was the highlight of today's presentation?
Oh my gosh, just our food vendors. They're like, we're with you guys, with smoke, without smoke. The patrons are so happy. The children played in the grass. And you know, that's what Kingston Kitchen's about, you know, to eat, to play together, to drink together, to dance together. So we're very, very grateful.
When and where will the next staging of Kingston Kitchens be held?
Okay, so we'll be back to Hope Gardens, which is our original home of Kingston Kitchen, and most likely it'll be in August as usual. So hopefully we'll see you there.
Now we're on to our third and final commercial break. When we get back, it's all about fashion and our top 10 charts. We'll be right back.